Hello everyone, this is our hackathon project video. Our team name is access underscore denied. Our team members are Rajkumar Rajeshri, Anirudh Singh, Puneet Shetty, and Umang Singh. Let's explore this application. This is Air Hub. Now, when you will enter this application, you will see several sections: home, flight, maps, transportation, and more. Let's explore this home section first. Now, in the home section, you will see first the category-wise announcements. Now, these announcements are dynamic so that this announcement will be inserted by the airport staff from the backend in the Azure App Services. Let's click on any of the announcement like COVID-19. The COVID-19 announcement will be listed here, like security announcements. These are the security announcements. These are the visa announcements, like premium services will be listed here from the BLR airport staffs. Now let's see the this food and beverage section. And here all the in-airport restaurants and near-airport restaurants will be listed here. Now these are the pre-security restaurants and the post-security restaurants are here. Now we have created this a custom REST API for this with the help of Spring Boot, so that this will be dynamic, and we have deployed it on the Azure App Services. Now even if a new restaurant is made, you can just insert that restaurant details from the backend from that post request of that REST API, and the restaurant will be listed here. Now same goes for the shopping section. Now all the shopping malls which are present in the in airport or near airport will be listed here, international and domestic wise, filtered wise. Now this is also dynamic so that we can insert a new shopping mall from the backend if it is made in the airport. Now let's see the hotel section. Now here in the hotel section, all the near airport hotels will be listed. So these are the near airport hotels. You can click on any of the hotel and you will get the details of that hotel. Like this is a Hotel Surya Residency Majestic. Hotel features are here. Like this is a hotel features, the family friendly features and hotel free bars. You can always get the contact detail of that hotel. You can contact and you can stay there. So these are the near airport. You can search any of the airports. Suppose Mumbai, and number of adults are 1, check-in date and check-out date. Now all the hotels will be listed in this range at the destination of that Mumbai. Now these are all the hotels which are near Mumbai or in the Mumbai. You can always click on any of the hotel and you will get the details of that hotel. Like these are the details of that hotel. You will get the address, you will get the contact detail, and these results are paginated so that you will get an infinite result always. Like it will always call 15 hotels per time. So these are all paginated response infinite results. Now let's see the explore airport section. Now in explore airport section, these are the history of the BLR airport. Now these are the photos and events occurred at the BLR airport, and these are dynamics. We have stored this images and information in the backend in the blob storage of the Azure services. Now even if a new event occurred and a new photo is there, you can just insert that event from the backend in blob storage and it will be listed here. So this all are dynamic, this informations. Now let's see now one of the most important feature of this app is the emergency button. If you are stuck anywhere, if you are handicapped, you are stuck anywhere, or a burglar or a thief attack is performed on you, you can just give a message to the authorities: I am in danger. And just click OK. Now your locations and the message will be shared, and the location and the message will be shared to the authorities in the backend, and the authorities will come at that location. Your current location will be shared. Now now this is all about the explore airport home section. Now let's see the flight section. Now in the flight section, you will see here all the flights which will be arrive in the next 8 hours and which will be departed in the next 8 hours. Now these are the flights. You can always click on that flight and you can track that flight and you can get the details of that flight. Like this is a Kolkata to Bangalore airport flight which will be arrival at the Bangalore airport. Now these are the departure flights which will be departed from the Bangalore airport to another destination. You can always click on that. You can get detailed gate, terminal, and the type of that flight, and it is a Indigo flight, it is a service classes, flight duration, and etc. You can always go to the search option of that flight. You can just click on the search option and you can search any flight, like uh, I want to go from Bangalore to Sydney. Now, under you can just select the date. You will get all the results for the origin to destination flights here, and you can just click on any of the flights. You will get the information of that flight, and you will get the stops of the flight. Like, you will click on any of the stops, and you will get the details of that stops also. So this is full tracking based API we have used. In backend we have used Cerium and Lufthansa flight APIs for this. You can click on any of the children or these stops, and you will get the details. Now there is no direct flight from BLR to Sydney, so there is these are also filtered, all flights and direct flights. Now you can click on any of the flight and you will get the details. You can also search by a number of that flight. Like, let's take any of the flight number, like EY217. You can just go here and EY217 and just select the date, and you can get the details of that flight here by the flight number. So this is all about flight section. You can also search the flight from here, your flight number and from to. Now let's see the map. This is one of the very good feature of our application. Now these are the airport map. You can just click the preview button and the theme of that map will be changed, and you can just click like restaurants. So all the restaurant will be listed in the map. You can just click on the restaurant. You will get the image and the detail of that restaurants here. You can just click on any of the restaurant, like this samosa saying BLR airport, and this is a taste of India Express. This is a tam, and you can just click on any of that, like ATMs. These are the ATMs near BLR airport. You can click on the ATM. You can get the image and the details of that ATM. Like, this is a SBI ATM, like parking slots. This is a Kempegewada airport parking P4. You will get the image and the location of that airport. Now, like shopping centers will be listed here. You can just click on the shopping here, and you will get the shopping results here. We'll get the image and the detail of the shopping mall. Now this is also dynamic. You can just edit the GeoJSON file if a new restaurant or new medical or new parking, whichever new thing is generated in the or created in the airport. You can just insert the GeoJSON data in the backend blob storage file share. So you can just edit the GeoJSON file. You can just insert that data, and you will see the listed new destination here. So these are filtered by the user choice, like medical. A user can see the pharmacy stores in the airport. You can just click, and these are the research COVID testing center. You can just click the preview button if you want to a white theme. You can zoom in for the parking roads. You can just click preview button to change again the theme. Now let's see the chatbot section.
Hello everyone. So now let's get to the chatbot section. So when you enter the chatbot, you will be able to see this intro message saying, "Hi, I'm Chitti the chatbot. Please type menu." So if you type menu, then you will be able to see all the options it provides. From shops, culinary, Q&A, called by BLR, stay at airport, vital information, contact us, passenger services. So now let's figure out shops. In shops, we have international as well as domestic section. So in international sections, you will be able to see all the international shops, and on clicking on any of this, you will be able to see the required information. uh, so it provides all the informations and also the image of it. So now if we click on back at international shops, you can view all the other shops, and also we have more international shops wherein you can view all the other options as well. So now let's get back to the main menu. And now in the domestic, also similarly, you can view the domestic shops as well. In domestic also we have all the other options. So these are the domestic shops. And now let's get back to the menu. And culinary we have pre-security and post-security. In pre-security also we can view all the restaurants available at the airport and pre-security section. So clicking on any of this, you will be able to see the image and require all the information with it. Now let's get back to the pre-security. And you can also view more such restaurants. And now let's get back to the culinary. Same goes for the post security. On post security as well, you will be able to see all the restaurants. And now let's get back to the culinary. Also we have included something called as BLR recommendations, which shows the recommended BLR restaurants, which are 3: Hatti Kapi, Tiffin Express and Tiffin Center. So now let's get back to the menu. So the main section of a chatbot is the Q&A. In Q&A, we have provided two options. Either the user can type in the query, or they can find the query using the menu. So three fields are there: general FAQ, COVID related, and air bubbles. In general FAQ, we have further F&B, transport, and terminal. So let's see transport. So here all the transport related queries will be shown. I can click on any of this, for example taxi services, and the information will be shown. And also you can now head back to the main FAQ or the main menu. So here is the main FAQ. Now further also you can view more about F&B and terminal queries similarly. Now let's get back to the main menu. So in COVID related also you will be able to see all the COVID related queries and its information, for example this, and you can get back to the main FAQ. So in this way we have scattered all the possible queries that a user can ask via our menu base. And also similarly you can view air bubbles query, what is air bubble and other stuffs. So now let's get back to the end. In the end we have given, didn't find your query, try typing in it in the chatbot. So you can easily type all the queries that you want to ask. For example, I am asking regarding shopping. So automatically it will search the desired result and it will show me shops. So I need not use the menu always. I can also type in my query, for example COVID, and the COVID related FAQ will be shown. So you can also search your query, and we will talk about it later. And now let's get back to the main FAQ, the main menu I mean. Now let's see quad by BLR. So in quad by BLR we have shown the important section of the airport, that is quad by BLR. So user can get all the information over here. So in the next section is the Seat airport. So we have shown all the lounges and Taj Bangalore and 080 transit hotel. So they can view, for example, Taj Bangalore. So they will be shown the information, and now along with the contact details. And now we can go back to the menu. Similarly goes for 808 and the lounges. So after this the vital information is shown, which includes regulatory functions, security information, self baggage check-in, visa, immigration, forex, and etc. So in regulatory functions as well, we have shown CISF, customs, NCB, Atiti, and other functions. In other functions we have animal quarantine, plant quarantine, transshipment, and clicking on any of this you will be able to see the required information. And you can now get back to the other functions as well. Same goes for all the regulatory functions. You can tap on it and get the desired details. Now let's get back to the regulatory functions. and the vital information, and all the similarly goes for the all the information for visa, immigration. We have provided all the info. Now next is our pass contact us. So in contact us we have given the contact details to the user, so that a user can easily get contact the airport. And in the passenger services we have provided some important information regarding the services, such as COVID test, lost and found, meet and assist, Wi-Fi services, baby care room, beach airwear, airport medical, and more. So in COVID test, easily you can see all the information, and you can get back to the passenger services. And let's get back to the menu. So at the end you can just click on thank you, that's all. And then if you want to chat again, you can easily type here and a menu will be shown again. So in this way we have brought all the information that a user needs in one chatbot and making it one-stop destination for all the desired results. And not only this, the user can type in their query easily, then they will get the accurate information, and also if they want to use the menu options, they can use it very wisely.
So let's explore the more section. In the more section, you will see the authentication. You can just click the sign in button and you can just authenticate with the Microsoft. So this authentication is done by Microsoft. A web will be open in the app and you can just pick an account. If you have, if you don't have, you can just create an account from here. Otherwise, just pick that account from here and just continue. And just the details will be shown here and you can just sign out if you want to sign out. And this is the lost and found section. You can just enter your query about lost thing or what you want and just submit it. And this again the FAQ section. And this is the feedback form. You can give a feedback to us. And this is contact info about our BLR airport BIAL. You can just click on Facebook. I can just go to the Facebook page, Instagram icon, or Google, or you can just see the contact details. So
So hello guys, now we'll look into the transport domain of our app. So it is basically divided into four domains: the bus, cabs, trains, and the parking service. So first we'll look into the bus service. It is divided as you can search for bus by either the route or by the stop. So if I'll search by route like KIB 14 and hit on search, I'll get all the information regarding the bus following the KIB 14 route, like the origin, destination, distance. Similarly, you can see over here. And then if I'll search by a stop, for example, Electronic City, KIL to Electronic City, and hit on search, I'd get the buses available. So if I'd see KIB 8, then I'd get all the information regarding it, the timetable of it, the fare, distance, origin, and destination city. Similarly over here. So this was for the Vayu Vajra section, and this is the fly bus provided by the Kempegowda airport. So if I'll select any of the routes like Kundapura and hit on search, so I'd get information regarding it, the distance, origin, destination, and the timetable of it. So now we'll look into the cab section. So it has two fragments, the Uber and the Ola. So a user can click on this ride with Uber. So if he has the app installed in it, what our app does is take its his location coordinates and connect it to the destination airport as Kempegowda. So he can directly, without any hassle, confirm his Uber cab. And similarly goes for Ola. So this was the app based. Now we will look into the airport taxis. Our app provides all the information regarding the different cab service available at the airport. So if a user clicks on any of the number, the dial pad opens as like this, and he can also get the app available on the Play Store like this. If he clicks on the icon of the Play Store, and we have the three fragments like the non-AC and the all the charges, types of charges, and the fare provided, details provided. Similarly, the AC section as this, and then we have the human taxi section, which is AC sedan and all the information regarding it. And the third fragment is the car rental section, and all the information regarding the car rentals provided by the airport, like this cars on rent or the WTI cabs. So now we'll look into the train section. if a user knows the any of the trains that goes to from his particular location to the airport, he can simply enter the name of the express, like for example Coimbatore Express. It goes from Mumbai to Bangalore, and then hit on submit. So he would get all the information regarding it, from which station to which station, like the Mumbai Lokmanya Tilak to Coimbatore, and the days on which it is scheduled, and the classes available. So this is another express. It is not scheduled on Tuesdays. Similarly, he could also enter train number and search the same through the train number or through the train name. So that was all about train section. Now we would look into the parking section. So here we can see all the different information which is taken from the Kempegoda airport website, all the car parking and its fare. A user can also track his charges over here. So if you would click on this and then select his type of car, like if two-wheeler parking, and then pick a date like this, and then pick a time for it, 5:20 p.m., and then hit on submit. So his information is stored over here, so like this, 5:28 p.m., 1 day 1 hour ago, and then his current fare. So this is all about the parking section, and that's all about the transport fragment. Thank you very much, and hope you liked our project tab.